But I think he just wanted to say hi to you.
He's going to give you a hug, baby.
Yes. She's gonna touch my chin. Don't touch it. Don't do it. Don't touch it. It's
Everything's in his way. He just whips it behind him. In my way? Behind me. It's like, get out of my way. He's like, oh no, I can't go on this floor. What am I going to do?
I kind of like him not going on this floor.
Mommy.
It's a built-in gate. It's a built-in gate. Curtis. No, he wants daddy.
Hi, buddy.
No, I want the daddy.